Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IGBOTICNONO, and you guys are welcome back in today's video. Of course, I'm showing you guys things and what they mean as well in Igbo language. Aiga amu tata ife. Do you understand? We'll learn about things, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I found that most videos that are being viewed are from people who are not subscribed to me. Please guys, try and subscribe and also follow my Instagram page at IGBOTICNONO. Please, I would appreciate you guys. Yes, I'm really going a long way to bring out this content. My motivation is the watching I'm seeing as well as the subscription. It really motivates me, and we have a landmark to go on this. That is it. And more thing is coming on this channel, so you won't regret being on this channel. So thank you for sticking around while we dive into today's topic, things and their meaning in Igbo. And here we have Oba Akwụkwọ, which is library. Oba Akwụkwọ, which is library. We already know that where this name came out from. I said in my other video, Oba is like a storage. Do you understand? Oba is like a storage, and Akwụkwọ is book in Igbo language. So this word came together, and it's Oba Akwụkwọ. It's two words joining together, but it's written. We write it together. We don't separate it. It's one word, Oba Akwụkwọ, which is library. Oba Akwụkwọ, which is library. And the next one is construction site. Construction site, what is called in Igbo is ebe ana ewu ihe. Ebe ana ewu ihe. You understand? Construction site, we all know what they do in construction site. They build house, they build companies, they build stuff. Basically, construction site is where they are building something, where they are erecting something. Okay, and the next one is restaurant. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ, that is enjoyment place. You get, restaurant is an enjoyment place. Do you understand? Yes. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ, place basically where you eat and drink and jollificate and have a good time with your anybody that's called. Okay. And we have beach. Beach basically in Igbo is not that difficult. The way it sounds in your mouth is the way you're going to write it. Instead of this beach you're saying as B-E-A-C-H, you just write it the way it came out from your house, which is mouth, which is beach, as B-I-I-S-H-I-I. That is actually the way it sounds when you're pronouncing it. But our Englishmen said it's the other way around. So we have city. Obodo oku na iwu. Yes, city is obodo oku na iwu. I don't know why why the native of the Igbo people felt to call it this name. Maybe because basically in our country, Nigeria, especially the rural area, we don't have lights, we don't have good road, we don't have good water. The rural area, that's the village. So basically they don't see light as much. So that is why they call the city as Obodo Oku na iwu. And here we have school. School is Ụlọ Akwụkwọ. Yes, Ụlọ is a house. If you have watched my other video, of course, and Akwụkwọ is book. So these two words came together and formed a word, which is Ụlọ Akwụkwọ. Basically school where you learn how to read and write. And the next one we have here is hospital. Hospital is Ụlọ Ọgwụ. We already know Ụlọ is a house, and Ọgwụ in Igbo language is medicine. Drug is Ọgwụ. So Ụlọ is a house. So where you take drugs, where you receive treatment, where you have medication is Ụlọ Ọgwụ. House, medication. House, drug. So these two words came together and formed a word. So hospital is Ụlọ Ọgwụ. So guys, thank you Hope you learned something from this video. This teacher here standing is IGBOTICNONO, and do have a lovely day. Bye.